My name is Stanley and the inspiration for this is Polynesian art.
My name is Josh and my inspiration was beach rugby and Fijian countryside.
My name is Alex and my inspiration was Manchester United for my t-shirt. Here it is.
Right, this is my Fijian t-shirt. I was really inspired to make this t-shirt after going to the Yanni Sports rugby camp because I learned about the style that Fiji play rugby, and yeah, it really inspired me to try and make my own designs and add the type of details I thought they would like. Yeah.